Chief, okay. Hey! So, Chief, this parish video, I want it to be ready at least before December. So we can use it for the Christmas and the crossover mass.
Being ready is not going to come from me. After all, the parish, everybody's trying. The women are contributing every Sunday.
Yeah, but you need to put more pressure on the engineers. They are slow. The work is not moving fast. See, Chief, I visited that site last week and I went there again yesterday. They are still in the same place, same stage. It's not moving.
It will move. It will move. How can they go, John? The money.
Oh, good afternoon. How are you? So good to see you. How are your parents? You are welcome. We are going to the parish house and wait for me. I'm coming, eh? Okay. So, as I was saying, Chief,
3,000 naira.
Block. Talking about the site. Yes. I said this, it has been on the same stage, same level. The work, I think, is too slow. What is the matter? Is it the money or the engineers? Oh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You look so good. See your skin just popping, just shining everywhere, just shining. You're welcome. Go to the parish house and wait for me. I'm coming. So, Chief.
Parish house. I mean, the
Yes, the site, the new site. So, Chief, I need you to put more pressure. See, I want us to launch it in December.
everything have to be under construction, because without it, there's nothing we can do. Parish chairman can say, I will not commit much.
We are spending so much money already. Let us see the result of what we have spent. Look at you. Turn for father. 360 for father. Wow. Longest time. How have you been?
I'm fine, sir.
I heard you traveled.
Yes, I came back yesterday.
You're welcome. Longest time. Hope the trip was okay.
Very fine, sir.
Well done. Good to see you. Welcome back. Go into the parish house and wait for me. I'm coming, So
Hey, come back here. How much you want to stop pronouncing? You don't have respect. Hey, father, this is not your matter. What are the PM? Nightclub. When we have go to Parish House, they will be a Parish House. Look at their Parish House. Is this place a club for my
What, Chief? She's a parishioner here now. Everybody knows her now. She's the president of the Catholic Guest Association.
And so, if she like, let her be the president of Nigeria. She can be president of Umaga. She can be president of Umaga. I got blood here.
Chief, please. Don't say that. This is our parishioner, and she's going to the parish house. The parish house is open for all.
Parish house can never be open for anybody.
It's open. Every gender.
Parish house is for father and anyone with this local.
Is it not the parish house you are coming and they allow that gender?
I built this place. I use my signature to bring it to this house.
But I'm the one living there, Chief.
Sacristy is for everybody. They can go to altar. They can go to Grote Virgin Maria. Kneel down there, pray. I'm like every other person. I'm not in your private place.
See, if they want to have a private meeting, maybe it's something personal.
Private meeting.
Yes, it's something personal.
For the private meeting. From private meeting, I got a private arena. For the private meeting, it will not work.
I will not take this from you.
You have taken it already.
No.
You have taken it already.
Go inside the parish house and wait.
She will not go to any parish house. Come back here.
Bishop will hear this.
Bishop will hear this.
You're embarrassing me. This me they came to see. I have one or two things to discuss with them about the growth of the parish. And this is the presence of the girl.
This hot afternoon, they didn't come in the morning where every other person is coming.
It's our father.
Father, Fawagono. Oh, you look at our father who art in heaven. Oh no, you go hallowed be thy name, God, thy kingdom come. This man is not your father who art in heaven. This is our father who is under this earth. Yeah. Blood runs through his veins. You don't tempt him, and tomorrow you
enter. Let me see why you stop mistakes now.
I have respected you enough as a priest, but one thing I will not take from you is blasphemy, and I cannot take it. You have really insulted my person.
Chief, don't tell me I cannot. Have I just said it before?
No,
have I touched you?
No,
have you done anything?
Nothing.
How can you blame me?
Hey!
Now, Yeah, wala pari. Father, stop this nonsense. I'm just confirmation. For clarity.
Father, you know people.
It's not even in my mind. It's just to confirm, to tell you that I'm innocent. I've not done anything.
He want an interior motive.
It's ulterior.
Don't teach me English. Every of them you are directing them to come handing them. That means they have been your regular customer because they all know the road to your private apartment.
Nothing but counseling.
Why not?
I'm the parish priest here. Whatever I say stands.
Yes. I am the chairman of this committee. Enter, let me see.
Chief, you are embarrassing me. You are embarrassing me.
Father, it's for your own good though.
Go to the parish house and wait for me.
Go to it. Chief, leave her. Father, you rise.
Yes, rise. Why would I rise? You know rise? Yes, you rise by lifting others. Jesus. Arise, your comfort. Rise.
Yes. You will rise in hair. You will rise in hair. You will rise in hair. You will laugh at them. Look at this.
Go, I'll meet you in your house.
Can't you praise God?
Where are they? You have to come outside. All of you should come out. Father Wamba, I enjoy this.
Chief.
But from you, I cannot take this from.
Chief, in fact, yes, he don't want. Chief, now don't give pam. Chief, in fact, take those ones.
Okay, now.
This one is perfect. Take those ones.
Father, all I know is how they do what they put. Here went to.
I will be Chief.
Nah, don't. I do, you do. Where are they? Let them come. I'm not going to this parish. Bishop must hear this. If they don't remove you from this parish, call me Pascal. Idiot. And they keep quiet, small children. They allow them to enter the sanctuary. Church is a holy place. Anybody going into the church should dress decently. I said, Ghana nation. And I go, Father. And you're talking Nana. I'm coming. Let them come out of here. Come on, God, put on war. I'm not. Father, won't anymore. People come up. Father, don't kill me. Father, don't kill me. Father, don't kill me.
Chief.
Father, don't kill me. Father, slap me. Father, knock me. Father, brutal me. Hey! Father, don't kill Father.
See what an old man.
Father, don't kill
what I'm doing at your age.
You beat me.
Chief, we are supposed to be discussing matters of the parish.
Parish,
the new parish building. You are the one that changed this topic.
Parish, you got papa again. Parish.
No problem.
That comes from my half of the give one your chief. You beat me.
You will not have any of them.
I have
arrested that one. Let me go arrest the second one.
Yes. Okay. You're ready.
Chief, don't come here. Chief.
Para no chief.
See.
Para no.
Make me begin here, chief.
Para no.
Come on, chief.
I'm making. Okay.
Run.
Madam me.
1 blow 7 up.
I could make one. Let's go to go. I saw people. Yeah, for the president.
You could not Jesus.
I want Hey, fire is free. Hey, Lebon. I'm your sheep. But I rather. And I want about what you. It's a lot of mine.
Sorry, yo.
Every year, I can see so many. Maria, that's why I'm